Susie Homesteader of the Rockies, and welcome to the Susie Homesteader channel. And today we're back in our fitness category again, and we're going to be doing another one of my really great shakes or smoothies. So today, this one we're going to do an anti-aging smoothie. And the anti-aging category is really just all about the antioxidants. So that's what we're looking for in this, anything that contains antioxidants. And I also like to always kind of throw in some extra powders as well as all our fresh fruits that we're going to do on this one, just to give it a little extra boost for the anti-aging category. So we have the berries, which are all about the antioxidants like we're talking about. So we're going to do some blueberries, we're going to do some strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And that is, you know, a couple of the great berries that we'll put in the smoothie. Dark chocolate, the darkest chocolate you can find, also contains a lot of antioxidants, right up there with red wine, but we're not going to put any red wine in this one. So anyways, we have just some great ingredients. We're going to use some milk and some yogurts for our liquids, and also just maybe a little touch of aloe vera juice, which is just great for the skin, a great healer internally and externally. We're going to put in a collagen powder. This is a super collagen, so it contains a couple different variations of collagen, which is also great for hair, skin, nails, and bones. So, and then we'll put in a little boabab powder, which is also known for its super high antioxidant content. So a couple different powders, some fruits. We'll add a little bit of coconut, which is just one of my favorites. That'll just make the whole thing taste great. So let's start with our liquids first. Usually when I create most of my concoctions, it usually makes more than one glass. So if you wind up having extra, just put it in a mason jar, just something that seals nice and tight in your refrigerator, and you can use it again the next day. Or you'll have an extra one on hand. So anyways, this will probably be more than one glass, one large glass that we're going to do today. And we'll start with our liquids first. We're going to do about 1 cup of milk. Any kind of milk you like. It can be a yogurt, it can be a, almond milk, it can be soy milk, any of the other milks if you're not interested in doing an actual cow milk or full dairy milk. But we're just going to do a regular milk today. We're going to add some yogurt in there, which is just, it's going to really just help with our flavors here because we'll have so many berries in here. So we'll have about a half a cup of yogurt that we're going to use for this recipe. We're going to add about, I think we're going to try about 1/4 cup of this aloe vera juice. And again, aloe vera juice is just a great one to have for all kinds of reasons other than beauty. Great for wounds and canker sores in the mouth, stomach problems, you name it. So aloe vera juice is something that I always keep in the refrigerator. It's just a great multi-purpose thing to have on hand. So we'll add a little aloe vera juice. We'll go ahead and throw in about 1 cup of blueberries, which are super high with the antioxidants. So we'll do that, 1 cup of that. And we'll add about 1 cup of strawberries in this. If you can get them a little riper than that, that would be great. And of course, if you can afford to go organic with any of your fruits or vegetables, that's the way to do that. So try and go organic if you can. If not, don't worry about it. And then we'll do, that's about a half a cup of raspberries that we're going to throw in there. And we'll do about another half a cup of blackberries. So there is all your fruits that we're going to put in there. And we're going to just kind of pre-blend that first just to get this started. Let's add, like I said, I just love coconut. If you don't like coconut, don't worry about it. I just have kind of a scooper, which is the equivalent of about 1/4 cup of coconut. You don't want to put too much coconut in there because that does make it kind of fibery and kind of thick. So it just depends on the kind of consistency you like on these. And then we're going to do this particular collagen, super collagen that I have, does have a scooper in it. So that's about the size of the scooper in there. That's about the size of a tablespoon. So we're going to do about 1 scoop of the collagen. And again, go for the super collagen. It has a lot more stuff in it than just the regular collagen. We'll do a little bit of that powder. And then we're going to do this boabab, unless you can pronounce it another way, powder. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of this boabab powder. And again, this is super high in antioxidants. So we'll add about a tablespoon of that. And that's a pretty mild flavor, so you know, you can experiment with some of this stuff and add more or less, you know, if the flavor is not too strong. But if you just think you want it a little bit thinner, then go ahead and add just some water or some more milk to it. But again, you know, I do kind of try and keep mine a little bit on the thick side, so it is more of a smoothie. So there you go. There is your anti-aging smoothie. And if, like I said, you want to just throw in a little bit of that grated cocoa, dark chocolate on the top, that makes a really nice touch. And then you can also just blend that in to the blender if you want to as well. But there is your anti-aging smoothie with a little bit of dark chocolate on the top. And again, you can just kind of decide how you like that consistency. So if you have any more questions, come and see me on my website, Susie Homesteader of the Rockies, and look for some of my other great smoothie recipes. I'll have one for wellness and immunity for you, and I'll also have a peanut butter balls or a breakfast bite kind of snack to go for the mornings or lunchtime that go great with these smoothies and these shakes. So we'll see you then. Bye-bye. So let's get started. Subscribe to the Susie Homesteader channel, and we'll see you there. Bye-bye.